Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Radio7Play.com. I am your moderator for today on April 23rd, 2015. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stocks and options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. Okay, today we're going to be doing our Friday night video. I usually don't do Friday night video, but we just had a lot of things going on in the markets. Okay. I'm going to go over the OTC first, okay, because there was a really big play that traders were able to get in. This was a stock that was actually sent out at a buy zone at 0005 to 7, okay, a few weeks ago. Okay, this was a stock that was post-reverse split. As many of you know, post-reverse splits have been the latest trend, okay. If you look here, okay, there was not too much buying. There was just a little accumulation here of volume. But we noticed that the stock was very thin on level 2. Okay, this was a stock that had a little bit of a gap up, but then this week triggered an entry at 0007 here. Okay, this stock had a couple of shares for sale at 0007, and they were bought up. Okay, if you notice here, okay, this box pattern was given out to members with an opportunity to enter as low as 0007, and they gave an entry up to that probability trade. What we noticed on the level 2 for a couple of days was a huge bid. Okay, usually when there's a huge bid, there's a big interest in the stock. Okay, knowing that there was big interest on the stock and the level 2 being thin, along with the momentum and the trend on post-reverse splits, we noticed that the stock was getting pressure every time the ask was bought. Okay, what we're looking here now is a potential gap fill here at that 0.004. Okay, we have one bar surge. Okay, I'm looking for a second bar surge tomorrow. Okay, today in the ending of the market, okay, the stock closed near the high of the day. Okay, we hit a high of 31 and we had a strong close of 0.003. Okay, knowing this, okay, what we're looking for is a potential gap up in the morning. Okay, and what traders want to do now is pay close attention to that 0.003 to 0.004 gap fill. Okay, if that stock holds above, traders can look to purchase this with support at that 28 to 30 range. If you see a good support level on that 0.0028 to 0.003 level, what traders can do is look to purchase the stock and look for a close at or near high of the day. Now, with a close or the stock breaking below the open price tomorrow, that would equal and constitute a stop out. So I want traders to keep an eye on the LRDR. Okay, what I think that we could do tomorrow is see another bar surge here and close at or near the high of the day. Okay, if we close or if we hit this gap fill here, you have a path to least resistance up to this 50-day moving average at 0.0085. So you have a lot of room here. Okay, if you look at the accumulation distribution here, you have this, you have a huge accumulation here. Okay, and it's just coming right now. The PPO is just coming up right now, and what we're seeing here is bullish indicators, and the RSI is just at 47. Okay, so there's still plenty of room. This is not overbought in any conditions. Okay, if you look here, you had a huge move here. Okay, now what we're gonna do is test this gap fill here at 0.004. If you do break it, I would not be surprised if we close with a 2-bar surge and then see a little bit of bullish flag consolidation before you test this 0.02, 0.03. If you remember, there was another post-reverse stock split that we sent out, was FFFC. Okay, this was a stock that was given out from a buy zone from 15 to 25, and it hit a low of 0.0012. Okay, that stock eventually hit a high of 0.036. So whenever you see a good amount of shares being traded, usually the company sends out a press release to update what that company is doing. Okay, so I want traders to concentrate and to keep an eye on the level support. Okay, watch that bid support. If you see that 28 to 30, you can look to add with a stop close below 28 2 times and look for this potential test of this 0.0085. Remember, traders must always set parameters when getting into stocks. Okay, if you remember, the TLFX closed at or near the high of the day at 20, and then it saw a high of 57. Okay, whenever you have a close at the high of the day, the bullish indicator that the next day would continue a bullish consolidation. Okay, so just watch that LRDR and that potential gap fill, support, and then that test of 0.0085. Okay, so I'm moving on to RMRK. This was triggered at 0.001 to 0.0011 low. Okay, this hit a high of 17, and now it's trading at 14 with a big volume indicator here. You're still oversold here, okay, at 30.52, and what we're looking for here is to close above this box pattern. So watch this pivot break over here at about, check this out. Let's take a look. It's we're looking at a close above this 25 level. If you close above 25 on 2 consecutive closes, okay, our next test will be this 20-day moving average at 28, and then a potential retest of this 56. Last time it moved, it saw a high of 80. Okay, so what we're looking for is a retest of that 0.0080. Still, the stock is oversold. What we're seeing here is a potential bounce opportunity. Okay, so you want to keep an eye on that and just ensure that you have your stops very, very tight. The BRNW, okay, the stock is still holding. If you notice here, there was no selling today. Okay, so what I'm looking at is this 21-day moving average and the 8-day moving average at 16. So watch that 0.0015 for an entry. Okay, if you remember, the scene of the crime is that 0.0016 level. Every time it hits that 0.0016, you have a huge bounce. Okay, right now, you know, we're looking at this consolidation here. The last time around, back in January, we saw a huge rally in the BRNW, and it hit a high of 0.008 from this 0.0015 level. Okay, so watch the buy zones. Any pullbacks will be a buy opportunity. The move in March, okay, you saw a huge move from this 0.0013 level, and it hit a high of 0.005. Okay, so just keep an eye on the BRNW. This is a stock that could move and should move easily. The FRZT closed above this this downward trend. Okay, did that second confirmation, hit a low of 23. Okay, given opportunity to enter again. There's still accumulation here. If you notice, this accumulation is being accumulated here. Okay, distribution is moving higher, and what we're looking for now is this potential rally, okay, and a bullish move past this 35 level. Overall, we still have a potential target here at 0.0045 to 0.009. Okay, we're still looking bullish, and what we're looking for here is any move and a close above this 35 level. Okay, the CGRA, just a beautiful trade. Today announced they were getting into the marijuana sector. We were talking about this bullish inside flag, okay, accumulation here. We were talking about the 15 to 18 level. It kind of kissed it, hit that 12 level, and then bounced and hit a high of 38. So this gave an opportunity to add as low as 12. Okay, we were talking about that 15 mark. Just a beautiful trade. Nonetheless, hit a high of 38. Watch that continuation now. Watch this, any pullback here to this 18 to 25 level should be a good buy zone. So just watch for any support here on the CGRA. Okay, so let me just go over one more stock. Okay. Okay, the VGTL still in the buy zone. Okay, it hit a low of 23, hit a high of 37, but closed at 27. So we're seeing some bullish consolidation. This has been an ATM machine for quite some time. They're dealing with those new 4K TVs, televisions. Okay, they're talking about streaming Blu-ray content on those TVs. So this does have a product. Watch the VGTL. Any buy zones from 0.002 to 25 should bode well. Okay, what we're looking for is that break above that pivot break of 0.0042. Okay, I put 3.6 here, but now we're looking at that 4.2 break, which was the previous high. Okay, this is a low share structure stock. Okay, that should bounce. Okay, watch for any move past this 0.01 level. At some point, I do see the stock breaking out and testing this 0.01 to 0.02 levels. Now moving on to the big boards. The SPY, just a great trade. Okay, it gave us an opportunity to enter as low as 207.10, which triggered for us. Okay, our target one was met a couple of days ago, and today it hit a high of 211.94, close to our potential target. Okay, so now what we're looking for is any move up to that 212, 213 level, which I think is going to be a max move. 213.80, that's the level that we're looking for. Right now, okay, the Kellner channels are, the Bollinger Bands are starting to get a little tighter inside the Kellner channel, so we still have a bullish upside to this SPY. If you notice here, okay, it's testing that resistance level, and we close slightly above that level. Okay, just a great move for traders that listened and bought that 207 range. Okay, moving on to the Apple. Apple broke out. Okay, it hit that 130 target that we were talking about. Just a beautiful move after the two bar close above this wedge pattern. Now what we're looking for is that 130, 134 level. Okay, any pullback down to this 127 will offer a re-entry. Okay, so just keep an eye on Apple. Okay, Adobe, another one, a bullish flag. We were talking about this at 72.50. Okay, this triggered 72.50 to 73. It triggered right here, and then today it hit a high of 76.80. Okay, just a beautiful move off this bullish flag. Okay, we just keep on nailing these option setups. Okay, we were talking about following the pattern. Okay, we don't really care if we see these tests of these bottom of these trend lines. This gives us an opportunity to add. Okay, if you know the levels, if you know the trades, if you know the patterns, okay, you just follow suit. You just follow the setup. This gave an opportunity to enter as low as the 72.50 level. Okay, and then we rallied, and now what we're doing is we're looking to test this potential 76 level. It was hit. Okay, just a beautiful move off of 72.50 up to 76.50. Okay, if you look at here at the BBY, some people were thinking that this was going to stop out. Well, it kissed this level, and now it's looking to bounce above it and look for this 75, 76 level. Okay, if this thing closes 2 times above this level, yeah, we're probably going to start seeing this stock move higher. Okay, Bed Bath & Beyond just looking a little bullish here. Okay, you're seeing higher lows here. Okay, just wait till we break that 73 level, 74 level. Okay, the TLT, another bullish flag. This thing held. Okay, it gave us a low of 127.61. Traders were getting a little panicky, but now look, right at that level right here. I don't see them killing the 20-year treasuries. Okay, this is a good bounce opportunity here. The USO, we were talking about any retrace. Now what we're looking at is this 8-day moving average just holding. Okay, at 1960. Okay, it pulled back all the way to 1960. I told traders to watch that level for a pullback, and look, it hit a nice level. Okay, so USO, keep an eye on small caps. Small caps, this trade continues. We hit that 367 level. We entered again at that $4 level. Now what we're looking for is this break above this this $5 level. Once you break above $5 in 2 consecutive closes, then watch that $6 move for the AKS. The FRO broke that wedge pattern similar to that Apple trade, and now we're seeing some consolidation here, 280. Okay, we saw that test of $3. Should be consolidating a little bit before a move higher. Okay, looking at the NQ, still bullish, extremely bullish here, testing that $4 range. Okay, so watch any pullback down to this 50 and 20-day moving average, $4.95, $3.95. At some point, I see this break into the $5, $6 range. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Again, I want you guys, anybody who's thinking about joining, okay, just visit radiosilentplay.com, and what you can do here under subscriptions, you can click on the free trial. We're offering a free trial, a 30-day free trial. Okay, I want traders to kind of check that out. Okay, just register here. They're not going to charge you, and then no obligation. You can always cancel. Okay, just a great setup this week. Just a big month of April. We just had so many winners. Okay, several option trades still running, and we announced 3 option setups this week, and those are doing great right now. One's up close to 1%. The other one's up about 1%. Okay, so just several trades. You want to know those trades? Just sign up to www.radiosilentplay.com. Okay, we also have a YouTube channel. Okay, you can follow us on Radio Silent Play. Okay, if you want to like us on Facebook, it's Radio Silent Play. And also, any questions, any questions regarding the website, just call this number here or text this number. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, have a good night, everyone. Take care.